Then the office with me, brother, you know me, you see. I'm not so sick.
Now how many years? From 2017. 2017, it building ubani umuntu owner lapha.
Open the door. Come on.
Go and open it.
Go open the door, man. Why is it open? Hey, come on. Hey, open there. Open the room. Open the room. Open there, man.
Not like that. Not like that.
You didn't want to open it then. Why not my passport?
Yeah, one because it's extra. Then the office with me, brother, you know me, you see. I'm not so sick, brother, you know me. This brother like this. Oh, only.
Aplaudo questo, signor.
Open.
David. You are here to work. You are studying. Oh, you're working. You're working. You're working for who? You're working at the shop. But you're working for who? So you came here to work with the owner. Where is the owner coming from? This is from our office.
You are in charge of what?
The shop only.
But why are you forging? Why are you forging our documents? This is why
It's for our business, for the
you
owners,
tell
not
that
for
to
me.
the
If you say to tell me,
you'll tell that to the court. Why are you forging our documents?
So we forge.
Even if it's your boss, you are the manager here. You are trying to make us fools now. You are busy playing and you are serious. You are serious on making us fools. Why are you forging our documents?
You're playing. Under the bed. Hey, you got
Then now we buy, we eat.
What's going on here, father?
have a look behind that side.
Now it's bed and food.
This is bad, guys.
The barbecue sauce. Then they sleep here, we buy, we eat.
Yeah.
No, these people
You sleep, you sell to people. Why are you doing this?
but you do everything here.
Why are you
When
doing
is
this?
food?
Are you aware that these things that we are doing, it affects people's health? Are you aware of that? You are not aware.
Do they eat?
You don't
those
care.
things?
You don't act.
Oh, no, they don't eat this.
They
No,
don't
they
eat.
don't.
You're a local guy, MNC, to connect for these people.
So
Just have a look.
this is illegal water connection and sewer, and someone would have came here and collected these pipes illegally. So they are stealing everything from our city. You see, even their building is not properly built. They didn't follow any bylaw or processes of the city. So we have to bring in water people to come and disconnect these water pipes end this sewer that they would have done here. These people are not respecting our laws.
So bakushiya uyi-1 la. Njalo bakushiya uyi-1.
Namusha ke.
Ufundaphi wena? Waye ungayanga esikolweni? Awufundi. Una how many years boy? Nibuya kudala nihlala la? Oh, kulenya ubuya eSwazini. Oh, okay. Uze nomama la? Uze noba?
Yebo, angandile.
Ekhaya. Bofunda isikole eSwatini. Bongafundi nakhona. So awukaze waye esikolweni wena? Wayekela?
Sisahamba la kade
Ukhiye la nene? Utshela ubaba nomama ukuthi kamasipala siyabafuna yeso. Yeah. Ne? Uzikhiyele la ngoba labo hleli nabo awubazi ukuthi bayephi. Uyakwazi wena ukhiye? Ukhile ubatshela ukuthi sibeze lapha ema-ofisini kamasipala uyazi. So yini le igesi bayidonsela? So kusho kumele bayikhansele le nto. Bayikhatha ngale ngaphandle. Yeah, ngathola ibheka ngale. And ingozi le nto le ngapha kunabantwana ngapha ama-electricity kaso. It's working. Uvakashele kuyiphi indawo? Ungahambi nawe but iza mama, ungahambi. Izani la? Sondelani, iza la, iza. Imela la. Unanda, ninjani? Saphila. Tala nihlala la? Now how many years?
From 2017.
2017 ibuilding ubani umuntu owner la bhatala. Ayisho nibhatali kwamasipala ama rates and taxes nibhatala kuba.
Okay, mina mangifika 2017 sikhiphe ama-Nigeria. And then beladesala ama-Nigeria. Sawakhipha kwangunathi. Sangabhatalwa ngisahamba e-court. Until sazisawina icase ukuthi wayehleli lapha. Kwathiwa-ke sagcina trust just for me to try.
Wagcinwa kuphi futhi nizokhishwa?
Bekade sihamba icase for isikhathi eside. Engizabona ukuthi sidlula. Asibhadali
Nizihlelele. Igesi nithathaphi?
asinayo.
Uyabona manje
Khona bawukhipha.
Yabona
Ukhona ugesi la. Bawukhipha.
bawukhiphe nini?
Angazi bawukhiphe nini nami ngisekhaya. Bekade ngisekhaya. Bekade ngisekhaya.
Ufike nini wena? Ufike nini wena? Ufike nini Friday?
Mina from 2017 Friday bengisekhaya mara from 2017 ngihlala la.
I'm just saying sikhuluma ngogesi manje ukuthi ulayite.
Bawukhiphe nini nguye ungasekho. Friday.
Serious nahlala nje endaweni enganagesi.
Sina siyahlala senze sithenjiswe ukuthi masikhishwa la sizula. E-court ngasikhathi sibunikile.
Aphi amaphepha akhona ngasecourt case?
Mina nginaphepha mara siye lawyer yethu.
Like unama-details waka-like?
Nginawo kodwa ngawathi.
Yeah, usitholele ama-details ka-like because okokuqala le building engihlala kuyo niyayibona ukuthi is dangerous. Niyayibona ukuthi ingozi nasempilweni zenu nasempilweni zabantwana benu. Yabona la ni connecte illegally ugesi. Niyayibona ne? And nina ngabantu besifazane. Okokuqala into ekumele nicabangele yini impilo zenu nempilo zabantwana benu. Ukuzohlala ku building eso and le building le phandle kokuthi ayikho safe ama building aso abanobugebengu ngaphakathi. And umasipala ngeke sivume whether i-court ithini or ithini we can't allow abantu bahlale kule situation eso. Because okokuqala njengoba nihlala la ninamanzi na yonke into ngithi umasipala anibhadali nikisi kuyo. And it's not okay.
Akukho right. Ngale case kwakade kune kwakuya detress uzofakelwa ugesi usikhumule sibhadala umasipala and then bagcina bafaka amafethu. Amanzi nasebenzisayo namanzi
bana basebenzisa mahhala. Asiphumeni. Knock knock. Ailanga tsanaba. Nalanga tsanaba. It's like batonza namanzi wethu yonke into yabo. Into zala azikho right.
Ukubhadalisa ugesi. Ana mhlawumbe ukhona la mara mhlawumbe sizomthola ngoba nithi sizomele siyobuzana kahle bese nizokwazi ukusinika imavana ukuthi kuphi. Yebo kutwami.
Yebo. Ubaba kwakume ukwafika la.
Nakhona mabisi magesi.
Khona esenkeni ngale umkhulu ndabandaba
ngiyakhumbula wena baba sinawe lapho
njalo. Wazothatha ubaba wathanda ihlale esimene esinye. Amchazela ngathi isimo lokwathi siwakude sifuna amadoda akasila. Ya wathi ubaba izokwenza iplan ukuthi izinto zethu ngathi mina uyena baba asinankinga ukuthi singakhokhela ugesi singakhokhela amanzi. Inkinga imali izosilungisela nje isimo sokuthi zonke izinto zethu iqondo yabo. Wathi yena hayi sisazolungisa lokho. Wagcina kanjalo nyabo
yeah last day. Yeah that's why you are sizile futhi la because the department responsible human settlement will have to do something for me. Mara kokuqala umasipala sesithatha lento ukuthi ngoba ngabantu bakithi must take care of nina. Mara kuzingenela nizingenele without umasipala la ngithi. Ane? Yeah. So into kumele yenzeke la ukuthi this place is not safe for nina ukuthi nihlale la. Noma singafuna sithini baba nasecaleni I think ubaba washumela ukuthi akukho safe. Mara into wrong esingeke futhi sivumele eyokutshontsha ugesi namanzi. Yabona if umavanga bekabhadala umasipala ngazona bebhenze. Siza la because we gave sinike isikhathi ukuthi people will come forward bazolungisa izinto abezanga bomavanga. Okokuqala siyeza ebantwini sibawonishe mara namhlanje we said we must come and take action because go wrong. I think issue yakho yaka executive mayor busy ngayo mara ngeke sivume ukuthi nihlale ku building so
that is child
anithandi mara anicabangi abanye bethu banabantwana umntwana udlala noma kanjani angeke nihlale nibagadile abantwana umntwana makazobamba le nto le ngoba bayagibela bese uyachokeka ashone nizotoyitana ukuthi umasipala ngithi because every time yonke into my wrong tour umasipala everything sithi umasipala you guys don't defend umasipala ukuthi kahle yithi senza wrong
and usho ukuthi mayingasha le building imali abantu abaningi because what partitioning it's not like it's a brick and mortar it's a partitioning so ingozi ukuthi mayingasha into yenzeke ijuice abantu abashoni ngenzeka sendini and thina yabona ukuthi azolanga ukuthi sibe akufana usidinga abantu bangaphandle wona ngadinga abantu bangaphandle bekwenye sidinga abantu basekhaya esifuna ukuthi kwenzeke ukuthi kube ne-compliance njengoba ngizama ukuchazisela usizi la ukuthi Wescom njalo ngenyanga ufaka i-invoice yona logesi nongakhokhi yithi urent water njalo ngenyanga usifake i-invoice yamanzi ningakhokhi yithi yabona so kumele siwenze wona nje uzihlanda umeya khona uthola umeya mawakhona kumele siphinde sireconvene nabo abantu abayikomiti lakhona ixoxa indaba yakhona sikwazi ukuyilungisa ukuthi firstly safety kunabantu be-building control njengoba ngisho masihamba la moshaya ibonda so akusistina makungasha asifuni ukuyixoxa le inkinga mina siyikhuluma ukusha nje kancane kuzoba nengozi enkulu and njengoba sigenele thina sekuthiwa yithi esibe wrong sense so iprocess kumele siyenze manje ukuthi sibasiza kanjani kulesi maboniso.
Izindaba ezinje kuba nobugebengu. Mina ngiyanicela ukuthi la why don't we search this area? Asisearchana ngisho sigogodile.